Hi everybody, welcome back to Social Science class. Myself Johnson George. In this video, we are going to continue our study on the topic diversity. In our previous video, we learned what is called diversity. Now we are going to see the topic diversity in India. We know our country. It is a land of diversities. What kind of diversities are there in our country? We can check what kind of diversities are there in our country in this video. See, the India, it is a land of that different geographical areas. It is a land of that mountains. It is a land of the mountain. Where the mountains? The Himalaya mountains. It is the land of the plain, especially the Indo-Gangetic plain. It is the land of the Vindhya range. It is the land of the Aravalli mountain. It is the land of the plateaus. It is the land of the coastal plains. Like that, the different kinds of geographical areas are there in our country. That is one of the diversity in our country. What diversity? The geographical diversity. The next diversity, that of climate. Different type of climate we feel in our country. The climate is different in different regions. Some region that is very hot, some region that is mild. Some regions are very arid regions are there. The region of Rajasthan, it is very arid, very hot. The region of South India, a moderate climate is there. The region of the North India, extreme climate is there. So the climatical map of our country, it shows that we are having the different kinds of the climate. Again, is the food habit of the people. See, the people of different regions, they are enjoying the different kinds of the food. In every stage, different kinds of foods are there. The dress code of the people, that also different in our country. Region to region, different kinds of dress codes are there. People wearing different ways. That is another diversity in our country. It is a land of that different races. Different race of people are living in our country. Like that either Turk-Iranian, then either Indo-Aryan, Scytho-Dravidian, Aryo-Dravidian, the Mongol-Dravidians, the Mongoloids, the Dravidian, the Negrisho. Like that, the different race of people they are living. These are the 7 major races are living in our country. So we can see the different shapes, different size of people in our country. The people of our country not look same. Their face cut is different comparing to other countries of the world. Why? Because the many race of people, they came to India and they settled in our country. So all the race of people, especially the 7 race of people, we can see in our country. So the land of the different races. Then it is a land of different religion. It is a land of Jainism. It is the land of Buddhism. It is the land of Islam. It is the land of Hinduism, land of the Christianity, land of Sikhism. Like that, different religious people living very peacefully in our country. So religious or belief differences are there in our country. Anyway, we can say that India is a big country with a variety of geographical and climatical conditions. People in different regions of India have their own foods, clothing, languages and ways of life. It is a land of that different race of people settled there. Like that we make it a land of diversity. It is called India. India, it is a land of diversities. We can see some important diversities again in detail. First of all, is the social institutions. You know, in our country, diversity can be seen in almost every social institution, including our family. The family setup, that is different. We have nuclear families. There, only parents and their children live together. Such families are very common in cities or in town. There, father, mother, and 2 or 3 children, or 1 child. That system of family we called a nuclear family. But another family is there. A large number of people living together, like grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, children. These all together living in a big house and sharing a common kitchen. Such a family is we called a joint family system. Okay, these joint family systems are very common in village areas. Whatever the family system we followed there, then the head of the family may be a male member. That is a common system in our country. However, in some parts of our country, especially in northeastern side of our country, or in Kerala, like that regions, the family headed by a female member, and the family properties and handed over from mother to daughters. That system also going on in our country. Then is the language. People using different languages in our country. India, we have 22 major languages. 1625 dialects. Means Boli. There is no written forms, only the way of speaking. Like that, 1625 languages are there. Language is mostly divided into 2 ways according to its origin. The division of the languages based on origin, we can say that the language is spoken in South India. That languages we called Dravidian languages. Like Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam are called Dravidian languages. The language is spoken in Central or the North India. It is origin from Sanskrit. We call them Sanskrit origin languages. Other than these 2 group of languages, some other languages also there in our country, especially spoken by the tribes in our country. These languages not belong to any of this group. Which group? The Dravidian group or the Sanskrit group. Like that, differences or diversities are there in our country. Now we saw that a few diversities. Again, diversities are there. We will discuss about the diversities in our coming videos. I hope you understood all the points. We will meet again in our next video. Thank you.